What's going on, people? It's Greg here with another Excel VBA tutorial video. Today we'll be going over how to allow a user to select a file with a prompt and open the file. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I've got my VBA editor here, and let's go ahead and start typing out this macro. So we got our sub, we'll call it select file. And what we're going to do here is declare our variables. So we're going to have a file picker to allow us to pick the file, and that's going to be FileDialog. And then we're going to have mypath as a string, which is going to be the string that we're going to reference when opening the file. So we're going to set FilePicker equal to application FileDialog msoFileDialog FilePicker. There we go. Alright. And then with FilePicker, we're going to choose our title. So the title of the prompt that we're going to see. Let's go ahead and say, please select your file. And then when it comes to the number of selections, we're just going to allow the user to select one. So when it comes to allow multi-select, we're actually going to choose false. So that way the user can only select one file. And then the button, we can actually give the button name, a name. So we'll just do confirm for this example. And so we can do this. So if show, and show has two options, right? Two outcomes. Show can be either -1, that means that the user chose a file, or it can be 0, which means they didn't, they hit cancel. So if show equals -1, then we're going to store mypath, and mypath is going to be the selected item. And we're going to put a 1 in there. Else, we'll just go ahead and end the macro, stop it from running. Alright, let's keep going, and we can end this if. So now I'm going to go ahead and end the with, and then let's just run it from here to see how it's looking. So run, see we get our prompt, and you can see it says please select your file that we declared here, and then we have these files to choose from. I click on this. You see how it says open here now? If I click here, it'll say confirm, which is what we use for the button name. And I won't be able to select multiple files, but I'll select one. And what's going to happen is it's going to get stored to mypath. So now we have to do something with mypath. So let's go ahead and use mypath to open the workbook. So we're going to do Workbooks.Open Filename equals mypath. And that should be all we have to do. So let's go ahead and run it again. And let's change some of the stuff here. So maybe we can put, are you sure? Question mark, smiley face. Please select your file. Please choose one. Please make one selection. Alright, let's run it. So you can see here, it says please make one selection, and then I can go to another folder. I'll click here and it says are you sure? Question mark with a smiley face, and I can choose that, and then my file opens. So yeah, I mean, it's real simple, real quick. And then when you do that, you can, create macros that can access this actual file and manipulate that and bring data over. And you can kind of do whatever you want. It's a lot of stuff you can do. It opens another door for you. So just wanted to throw this quick tutorial out there. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.